Paramshanti. Welcome to this journey of discovering supreme peace through selfless action. In a world full of distractions and demands, finding true peace can seem difficult. But what if peace is not something we find outside, but a natural result of how we live and serve others? Selfless action means acting without expecting anything in return. It is giving your time, energy, and love purely to help others without selfish motives. When we act selflessly, we shift our focus away from me and mine, and this shift brings a deep calm within. When you serve others with a pure heart, you connect with something greater than yourself. This connection fills you with joy and peace that doesn't depend on external circumstances. You become a channel for love and kindness, and in doing so, your mind becomes still and peaceful. Think of a time when you helped someone without expecting thanks or reward. Did you feel lighter, happier, or more at peace afterward? That's the power of selfless action. When service becomes a way of life, it dissolves the boundaries between yourself and others. You realize that all beings are connected and harming others harms you too. This awakening brings a lasting peace beyond a mind's chatter. You don't need grand gestures to practice selfless action. Start small. Offer a smile to someone who looks downcast. Listen deeply when a friend shares their pain. Help with household chores without being asked. Each act of kindness done without expectation strengthens your inner peace. Remember, supreme peace is not something distant or hard to reach. It is here within you, awakened through selfless action. Live with love, serve with joy, and experience the deep peace that flows naturally from a heart free of selfishness. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो